What's going on, everybody? Got kind of a fun video today. We're unboxing the Tesla Tequila. They had to call it Tesla Tequila instead of Teslaquila because of some trademark issues in Mexico. But it is here. We're going to do a little unboxing today. For those that don't know the story, this actually originated in an Elon Musk tweet, of course. He's always out there memeing. So he tweeted a little thread back in 2018 after Model 3 production ramp was kind of over and they were a little bit more settled as a company. Tweeted out a small thread kind of joking that Tesla had gone bankrupt. It was on April 1st, actually, so it was his little April Fool's joke. And he tweeted out a picture of him sitting up next to a Model 3 saying, with a little cardboard sign that says bankrupt. I'll throw the tweet up on screen if I can find it. And he said that there were a bunch of Teslaquila bottles found empty around him. So to complete the joke, it is finally here. They started shipping these out a couple weeks ago. Finally got my hands on it. Shout out to my friend Craig for letting me unbox this for him. This is actually his, so I'm going to do my best to keep it in mint condition here for him. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. So it comes a nice black box here. Presentation is really good. Just says Tesla on the front, tequila, some details about the alcohol. It's 40% alcohol by volume. Go ahead and open it up here. All right, got a little foam protector on there because they did ship these out. Oh, there's a little card in here too. Okay. So this just says that this bottle was handcrafted by skilled glass artisans, as such as imperfections and markings that make each bottle unique. Please take care when handling your bottle of Tesla Tequila. And has a little diagram kind of showing you how to take the cap off, because if you try to tilt it sideways, then it can damage the bottle. So set that aside for now and get your first look at the bottle here. In the box comes packaged really nicely. Nice lightning bolt design. Glad they went with something a little unique instead of just a plain bottle here, but we'll go ahead and take that out very carefully. Look at that. Okay. So interesting. Very unique bottle design. Okay, we'll go ahead and set that aside. We've got the stand here too, which is like solid metal, so that's pretty neat too. Got the little Tesla logo on the side there. Probably won't show up too well on camera. Probably blinding you guys too. So let's see if we can get it all up there. And I believe it's got to go in that way. Yeah, so it stands up straight. Look at that. That's pretty cool. I'm probably blocking it with my t-shirt. That's pretty neat. I'm kind of wishing I bought one of these just kind of as a decoration piece. I don't really drink that much, but this would be cool to kind of have on a background shelf. That's pretty neat. All right, so on the front, we've got basically the same thing that was on the box. Just says Tesla with some details about the alcohol on there. And that is about it. So again, thank you to Craig for letting me borrow his bottle of Tesla Tequila to unbox. This was a kind of limited edition on their website. It's probably out of stock right now, but Elon has said that they are going to restock these. So if you didn't get one the first round, definitely be on the lookout on the Tesla website if you're interested in purchasing one of these. Like I said, I'll probably look at one maybe secondhand after somebody's drank it and just filled up with water or something, so it can be a cool backdrop for some of my videos. So there you have it. This is the Tesla Tequila. Quick little unboxing for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, drop a like on this video down below. And make sure you're subscribed. I'm going to be unboxing the Tesla short shorts next. So make sure you guys don't miss that one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. I always screw that up.